Hello everyone, I am Anila and I wish all you beautiful ladies a happy Women's Day. We are celebrating this Women's Day with a blog hop and an Instagram hop. You can also win some prizes from these fabulous sponsors by playing along in our Linky party. All the details about this hop are mentioned on my blog, which is linked in the description box below. Today in this video I will show you how to make a card using a digital stamp. I use Microsoft Word for editing and printing my digital stamps. I open a blank document in Microsoft Word and insert the image I'm going to use. I crop the extra white part around the images. This helps me in sizing the image as per my requirement. I now adjust the margins to the minimum and change the paper size to 4x6, which also happens to be my card size. I now increase the size of the image as per the proportion I have in my mind and then print it out. I will now color the image using Zig markers and then add some more details using Polychromos pencils. I will now fussy cut the image. I color the edges of the image using a black marker. I print the sentiment on a 4x6 card and stick the image on it. I create the shadow effect around the image using some grey markers, and later using a black fine liner I add some details around the image. I mount the card on a top folding card base using some foam tape to complete my card. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. And if you haven't already, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you.